Dependable, determined, and downright awesome. Go ahead and raise a glass to helping keep the men in your life healthy, today and for years to come. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to let the good times flow using Fairlife in 2 delicious smoothies to celebrate Men's Health Month and National Dairy Month: Strawberry Banana Smoothie and Frozen Chocolate Fairlife Cold Brew Smoothie. For the Strawberry Banana Smoothie, toss the following into a blender: 1 cup of Fairlife 2% reduced fat ultra filtered milk, 1 cup of basket and bushel strawberries, an extra ripe banana, 1 teaspoon of wheat germ, and 1 to 2 cups of ice. Cover and blend until all ingredients are smoothly combined and serve. Fairlife Ultra Filtered Milk contains 50% more protein and 50% less sugar compared to regular milk. Delicious taste and lactose-free with no artificial growth hormones. For the cold brew smoothie, start by pouring 1 cup of Fairlife Chocolate 2% Ultra Filtered Milk in an ice cube tray and freeze for at least 2 hours or up to several days. When ready to prepare, transfer the milk cubes to a blender, along with 3/4 cup of unsweetened cold brew coffee, a pinch of cinnamon, and a 1/4 cup of chocolate-covered espresso beans or nuts. Blend until smooth and enjoy immediately. There's a lot to love about milk. It packs in 9 essential nutrients: calcium, potassium, phosphorus, protein, vitamins A, D, and B12, riboflavin, and niacin. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Your path to a healthier you starts at Hy-Vee. Let our team of registered dietitians help provide nutritional guidance and support tailored to your lifestyle.